What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. Now, I didn't really have anything too crazy planned for today's video. I know a lot of you guys really enjoy whenever I film the POV drives. So I just got off of work and I figured I would take the 86 out for a little bit of fun. And then maybe later on during the day, there's also a car show that I was planning on maybe going to. So with that being said, let's go ahead and head out and get on the road. Watched the last video, you would have seen that I accidentally broke the front splitter on my car racing my buddy Gerald in his BMW. What did I just break? What did I just break? Did I break my front lip? Did I actually? Is it fucked? No! So I do just have to be a little bit cautious whenever I'm out filming this POV drive today, because I don't want the splitter to fall off completely and then I don't have one on the car anymore at all. You already know we gotta get some pops going through the tunnel. Come on now. That's so crazy every time, man. It never gets old. Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh my god, 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 oh my gosh. Oh, I was about to rip it. I was about to rip it. Oh my god. Good thing I saw that. Holy crap. We got another Neptune Blue 86. That's so sick. I don't usually see too many fellow Neptune 86 owners out on the road cruising like that, so it's always cool to see another one. I kid you not, I'm literally a minute away from showing up to the car meet and it's starting to rain. Oh my gosh. I'm honestly not really expecting too crazy of a turnout because this meet ends in like an hour or so. So I'll go ahead and just pull up to the meet and I'll show you guys all the sick cars that pulled up. It's a pretty good turnout, not bad, not bad. Got some nice cars showing up. I don't really know where to park though, to be honest. Appreciate the help too pulling up, bro.
Of course, bro. Appreciate you coming out.
Yeah, of course, man. It's a sick meet. I've never been here before, so it's a good turnout, bro. Got the 350 with the gap cam mount. Oh shit. Pretty nice. All black. Got the clear hood on this thing. That's crazy. I don't really see too many people do this nowadays. It's really unique, honestly. There's like 100 motorcycles here, bro. That's crazy. Oh my god. Holy crap. All right, you guys. It was actually a really great turnout. I stayed for about an hour and there was a lot of cars and bikes that actually showed up. I got the opportunity to talk and meet a lot of you guys when I was here, so that was really awesome. I didn't want to shove my camera in anybody's face, but for those of you who came out and said how much you enjoyed the car and loved seeing it in person, that absolutely means so much to me, and I just want to say how much I appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.